What's up guys, this is Gamester and I'll be building this gaming desk I bought from Amazon. Now let's see how it goes. I have taken everything from the box. That's all it came with it. Even a screwdriver. It's, there. Alright, let's go to the next step. I flipped this table by myself because I have no one and I'm going to be waiting for someone to help me. So I left these corners right here. Safety corners if I don't damage the corners. That's pretty much it, the table. I still need a couple of things to add on the attachments. Alright, this is the final table. You got your headphones hook. That came with the table. That comes with the table as well. Mouse pad comes with the table. Your Coke, coffee holder comes with the table. The mouse pad seems like a little small, but I'm pretty sure it will just stretch out throughout the days. And that's it. 7 Warrior table from Amazon. I will post a link in the description, the comments. See if you guys want it. Alright, it's pretty decent size. It's a 55-inch table. Alright guys, peace out. Hope you guys like this video.